Hi, in this video I will show you how to unlock your locked account on the Snapchat. So the process is pretty simple. Follow this step. Open your browser first of all and search for sport.snapchat. Once you will search for it, click on the link on the first. So I simply click on it. Now you have to click on the troubleshooting. After that, scroll up. After that, click on the login and new account troubleshooting. Now you have to scroll up. Now here you have to click on yes. Now you have to click on my login. After that, click on I think my account was hacked. Click on it. Once you will click on it, you have to click on the yes. Now you have to write username of your Snapchat and then email and then your phone number. After that you have to write here, hi Snapchat team, I believe that my account was mistakenly locked by server. I am sure that I never use any third party application. Once you will do it, click on the send and they will open your account as soon as. Hope this video will helpful for you. See you next time. Thank you.